Hello, this is Eliza Rienhoff. Welcome to my second Understanding Social Entrepreneurship video. Today we're going to discuss various forms of social venture funding, as well as how these sources are evolving. We're also going to discuss measuring social impact, why it's important, how to do it, how it relates to our particular group project, and also how both of these aspects are incredibly challenging for social enterprise. Traditionally in social enterprise, there are two forms of discrete investment sources, the public and the private sector. Public sector investing tends to come in the form of grants and fellowships. We can see this example from Catherine B. Reynolds Foundation. This fellowship program developed at Harvard was started to provide funding for development of teaching, learning, and research of social entrepreneurship. Private sector investments, on the other hand, come in the form of commercial investments, lending from financial institutions, donations, enabled by tech and fueled by innovation and desire for positive and transformative effects. Social entrepreneurs are always evolving, even in the way they attain funding. Social enterprise now uses various forms of crowdfunding and online platforms to raise funds. They also are putting an emphasis on alignment with investors. Alignment with investors can help to balance profit maximization while also emphasizing social impact. It's important to note also that the market machinery and infrastructure for evaluating social risks and returns are barely developed in this aspect of social enterprise. So how do we measure social impact? What does it mean to measure social impact, and what are we measuring exactly? This is one of the most important yet challenging aspects for social entrepreneurs, but it's crucial for creating meaningful and sustained change over a long period of time. First, you have to define your social value proposition, then quantify your social value, and then finally you need to monetize it. There are various methodologies available to measure, many of which have been established by foundations and institutes. Our group, Honest Alternatives, will use various forms of measurements that include how many veterans we serve, how many return. We hope to measure change in the form of lower suicides and death of veterans resulting from opioid dependency. This source helped me understand the fellowship that's in place at Harvard and how it helps to develop social enterprise. This source helped me to understand more about funding social enterprises and its various new approaches. This article from Forbes helped me to further understand how to measure social impact and also some new information concerning research and new ideas about measuring social impact.